Okay, let me quickly show you how to make payments from your PayPal account to another PayPal account using the PayPal email address. So here I am in my PayPal dashboard, and the next thing I'm going to do here is to come to this send money icon here, and I'm going to click that. Alright, so it brings me to this point. These are some of the transactions I've made in time past. So I want to send payment to a new PayPal email account. So I'm going to come here and type in the address. Alright, so once I do that, I'm going to select. Alright, so the next thing here is that I'm going to type in the amount I want to send. Okay, so here I'm sending 10 USD. So what is it for? I'm going to type in what this is for. Let me call it SEO payments. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to click on the next button, and then it's asking me how I want to pay. I want to pay from my PayPal balance, so I'm going to be selecting that. And it's asking me if I want to make this my preferred way to pay. No worries, you can do that, but it's not necessary for me. And mind you, these are the other credit card accounts that I've linked to my PayPal account in the past, so I'm not going to be using them to pay. I'm using directly from my PayPal account balance, so I've chose that, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, so here it's asking me how I want to pay, if it's going to be goods or service or family and friends and the rest of them like that. So I'm going to be, you can see here that it's already in goods and services payments. So I'm okay with that. So once I check up on this information and I feel okay with that, I'm just going to come here and then I'm going to click on send. And in seconds, this payment delivery is going to be made to my customer. So this is how to send payment from your PayPal account to another PayPal account. If you like this video, please give it a like so it could get suggested to more people who need this kind of information. And if you're a visitor on this channel and you are not subscribed but you want to see marketing, make money online and fintech information, then why not subscribe to this channel? Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.